Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Joe.
And it's my shirts.
Yay, we're going back to Stars and Screws. And
Okay.
For everyone involved in requesting the song, we're not delaying it on purpose. We're just recording less this month. So there will be gaps in between reactions, longer gaps. So, chalo, this one's with Tala Anjum. We said we'd get to it next after the one with TY, and now it's TA. This one is a number. I'm guessing it's a date. I'm just going to say 5 October 21. That's what I'm going to call it. 051021 is too long. So,
Correct.
yeah. So
Yes.
let's just get to it and see what's happening.
Yeah. Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
It's your boy. Mere boys rock solid, they Rockefeller. They pull up in your city and go pop a fella. I split cheese with soldiers, no mozzarella. Sadi gali chon nahi langda koi yara ghera jaanda ni sanu jeda jaanda o kak. I don't claim Crip gang, mere blues abhi jut. Same yar, same beef, same shoes, same shirt, same hustle chale roz, same hair, same grudge. Ay, अगों हट हवा आण दे, हम नहीं करते डिस, हम बीट पे डांटते. दुश्मन paranoid, tripping on that skante. We came from nothing shamoon, तब ये सब कहाँ थे? मोरियां चिचुए बंदे रोले, मैं चुन चुन के मारता, मैं वीरू और ये शोले. रात 4 बजे चक्कर लगे थानों के. Shit I deal with बताया तो नहीं मानोगे. नवी से डील कर रहा हूँ पुलिस में शुरू से शेडी. Wolverine मुंडे हील करन छेती छेती, मुंडे डील करन लखां च. Yeah, I feel like Raja Veer, future मेरी अखां च. बात करता मैं सीधी, but you know, motherfuckers be so greedy. You know, hey, अगों हट हवा आण दे, grind की है hard तेरे शहर वाले जानते.
अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे. K-Town to Twin Cities मुंडे करन जान के. अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे. K-Town to Twin Cities मुंडे करन जान के. 051 Twin Cities gang, मुंडा इस्लामाबादी मेरे वखरे ने slang. यार मेरे पिंडी आले रखदे ने thing. I hop Twin Cities, राती विच bands, हत्थ विच मरी strong. गल्लां करदे नी असीं wrong, गल्लां सुनदे नी असीं wrong. Asal heat, no you don't belong. YS Jat crew, though his share coming through, we they move along, yeah. Party through the roof, chote. मेरे नाल तला अंजुम get the groove, छोटे. साडी हैगी जे ज़बान थोड़ी loose, छोटे. बड़े आए ने जवान साडी move रोकन, रहंदे focus. साला साल top game ते, खामोशी पसंद जट same जे. तावी रवां बुट, तावी रवां बुट, मेरा नी कोई लेन देन, किसे नाल रब दा देन वेख, yeah. मुंडे टींड असीं मनदे नी हार बस, कुछ मेरे नाल कुछ बार तक, yeah. कुछ अपना ख्याल कर, भटक नहीं लटक नहीं. रखना मुँह तू बार वेरी स्टार प्लस, चल देने सीक्वल. मैं गल करा मेरी साडा कम नहीं जे इक्वल. मैं गल करन make believe, come to your block and we shake the scene. And मेरा boss never on the leave, yeah. अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे. K-Town to Twin Cities मुंडे करन जान के, yeah. अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे, अगों हट हवा आण दे. K-Town to Twin Cities मुंडे करन जान के.
Ago hut hava aande. That's it. Ago hut hava aande. I love it.
Yes,
Oh,
absolutely
fair
loved
enough.
it. I like this more than the other one, just being honest.
I was
Full vibe.
exactly we do. Yes. 3-4 down the song. I was thinking exactly that. I was like, ye bolu ya nahi bolu? And then I was like, but truth hai, I like this one more than the other one. Yes.
Yes, honesty will always be honest.
Honest.
So it is not a date, it's an area code, I think. 051021.
Yeah.
You know?
Maybe. Yeah.
I thought it's 5 October 21, the day they dropped the song.
That's also valid. वो भी हो सकता है. They
20.
didn't drop it that day, yeah, but वो हो सकता था.
हाँ.
मतलब valid thought था.
Logic
like
था.
ऐसा.
Logic था.
हाँ, logic तो था boss. Logic था.
Go on, say what you think.
What to say? Yeah, it was lovely. I really enjoyed it. You know, कुछ tracks होते हैं जिसके अंदर आप बस enjoy करते हो. You just like, you don't bother ripping it apart in your head. Time भी नहीं होता, and you're just enjoying it for what it was. Ago hut hawa aande just took me. Like the moment he started singing it, from the first time he said it, I was sold. I was like, yes, this is it. This is it. I'm going to use that dialogue. Like, anyway, I love that phrase as is, but the way also he said it now with so much swag, I think this is going to be a little bit of my mantra for a couple of next few days. मैं सबको बोलने वाली हूँ. Like anybody says anything, I'm just like, ago hut hawa aande. That's it.
So funny. People will be like, what is it? No, but he's done this before.
Talk to the hand tha na?
Yeah. But he's
like,
that line of his from Runway where he said Karanga call from the runway. I use that a lot, even though I did never flew it. So I think he drops these liners very nicely.
I love it. Yeah.
But
it's also just the way he uses it, the way he says it. It's very nice. Yeah.
He's got that smoothness in his voice and delivery and all that. Singing style is very Shamoon. It's very him.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
But the second Anjum came in, is your boy. I was like,
I know, I saw your expression at that point. Yeah, your like he was saying it, but your eyebrows are going up like,
It's your boy. Okay. I think he like that phrase should just be his. He just does it the best.
Yeah.
But I really in this particular verse of Anjum's, I really got Bohemia vibes. The way he was delivering, you know, the flow in the Punjabi bits at least. I just suddenly, like when that first 4 lines in Punjabi finished, I was like, ooh, like, I don't know why, but I got that vibe. I could be completely wrong. Maybe he's not going for that kind of thing. But I mean, he is one of his idols.
There, no? So influence, I think, for reh ke bhi aata rahega, even if one doesn't want it, every now and then that influence will show, which is also nice in a way. Like it's
because he doesn't do Punjabi in his verses very often, you know. It comes in like jhalkis.
He should do more.
Yeah,
for sure.
I think
he sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds good. His voice, of course, and his delivery and I mean the lines themselves were brilliant. So I don't know, it just gave me that Bohemia vibe, which I really liked because I was like, oof, very nice. So overall, it's a winner.
Ago hut hawa aande.
Yeah, I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you to say that. You got it.
I'm going to be saying it to everybody now. Oh, acha. I was just
I know, but I knew you'll get it.
Good.
I was just like, pause. Let her fill it in hotkey. Ago hut hawa aande. Let's just end on that note. Loved it. There is a whole lot of requests for the rest of the songs on this album. I don't know how we're going to cover all of them. We'll talk offline. Let's do something different.
Slowly and steadily. That's how.
Yeah, maybe next week when we record, we'll hear the album offline and then we'll just come and do a review of it and bring our notes with us. Let's see. We'll figure it out. Chalo. In the meantime, if there's any one particular song from the album remaining that you really feel we should get to, then DM me about that. And check out Miss Bola's website. It's linked below. And all these buttons help support the channel. I know. That was nice.
I know. I was like, acha Anjali, I like it. Next time anybody has to say anything about subscribing and liking, it's
Yes. Done. So take care of yourselves and loop this one. 5th October 21. Chalo. Live long and prosper.
Bye.